Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without distractions. Sit or lie down in a position that feels comfortable to you. Close your eyes and begin by focusing on your breathing. Grounding breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Repeat this for 3 more deep, slow breaths. As you breathe in, feel the cool air entering your body. And as you exhale, imagine releasing the weight of stress and tension from your mind and body. Body scan for relaxation. Starting at the top of your head, bring awareness to any tension or discomfort. Slowly move your attention down through your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. With each exhale, feel these areas softening and relaxing. Now, move down to your neck and shoulders. If you feel tension, visualize a warm, soothing light enveloping those areas. With each breath out, allow the tightness to dissolve. Continue moving your awareness down your arms, hands, and fingers, letting them feel heavy and at ease. Then, shift focus to your chest and stomach. Breathe into these areas, and as you exhale, let go of any tightness. Finally, bring your attention to your legs, knees, feet, and toes. Feel them sinking into the ground or the surface beneath you, completely supported and relaxed, releasing stress. Visualize a gentle stream of warm light flowing from the top of your head down to your toes. This light represents calm, peace, and healing energy. As it moves down, it washes away any tension, anxiety, or stress. With each exhale, imagine the stress leaving your body in waves, dissolving into the air around you, becoming lighter and lighter with every breath, relieving migraine pain. Now, gently focus on the area of your head where you feel the migraine. Visualize a soft, soothing light beginning to form around this area. This light is cool, calming, and healing. As the light envelops the area of pain, imagine it dissolving the tension and discomfort. With each breath, this soothing light spreads and expands, neutralizing the migraine, bringing relief and peace to your mind. If the pain is sharp, envision it softening, becoming less intense. If it's a throbbing sensation, imagine the light calming the pulsing, making it more gentle and manageable. Affirmations for healing. As you continue to breathe and relax, repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I release all tension from my body and mind. I am safe and my body is healing. I trust in my body's ability to restore balance and peace. This pain will pass, and I am growing stronger with every breath. Allow these affirmations to resonate with you as the healing light continues to soothe your body and mind. Closing. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling grounded and present. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes, feeling calm, refreshed, and at ease. You have released the stress and pain, and you can return to this peaceful state whenever you need it.